Rorra Countertop Water Filter is a newly launched option in the filtration market. It's got a sleek stainless steel design, zero water waste, and NSF-tested filtration to tackle chlorine, PFAS, VOCs, and more. Sounds great, right? Well, not so fast. It doesn't remove fluoride, and while the body screams premium, the handle, it's plastic. So let's put the Rorra countertop to the test, judging its filtration power, design, and ease of use to see if it's actually worth your money. You'll find links to all the exclusive discounts in the description below. First up, contaminant removal. Unlike traditional filters, Rorra uses a special combination of electrokinetically charged carbon and other filtering materials, all held together by a cellulose binder. Each layer of this filter material has an average pore size of 1 micron, and with 2 layers stacked, the filtration becomes even finer, achieving a sub-micron average pore size. Rorra also claims its system is better than reverse osmosis because it wastes no water, while RO can waste over 50% flushing membranes. It also provides longer filter media contact time to reduce a wide range of contaminants. Coming to certifications, Rorra is independently tested by NSF and IAPMO for removing chlorine, lead, PFAS, and VOCs. They're in the process of obtaining official NSF certifications. This is in line with customer feedback who found the filtered water noticeably cleaner and tasting better than common pitchers like Naki. However, it does not remove fluoride and is not recommended for high mineral well water or water with unknown bacterial content. Next up is the water flow rate and design. The Rorra countertop filter takes 20 to 30 minutes to filter 1 gallon of water. The system has a 200-gallon filter lifespan and a total capacity of 2.5 gallons, holding 1.5 gallons of filtered water and 1 gallon of unfiltered water at a time. It's built with medical-grade stainless steel, making it durable and low maintenance. And despite being stainless steel, it's not too heavy, even when full. However, the handle is painted plastic, which feels a bit less premium compared to the rest of the build. That said, Rorra minimizes water-plastic contact with the only plastic components touching water being small silicone O-rings and FDA food-grade virgin polypropylene used for the filter end caps and mesh core. The system has a submerged well design keeping the filter wet at all times, minimizing bacterial contamination. But there's one common complaint. The spigot drips after releasing the handle, leaving about 1/8 ounces of water in the neck that may dribble onto the counter unless fully drained by poking the spigot. Next up is ease of installation and maintenance. Setting up the Rorra countertop filter takes about an hour. Assemble the unit, insert the filter, fill it, and let it sit for 60 minutes. Drain and repeat 3 20-minute fills to reach full capacity. It comes with a certified filter life indicator, letting you know when it's time for a replacement. Filters should be changed every 90 days or after 200 gallons, costing $65 per cycle, which adds up to $260 per year. This makes it one of the most expensive countertop filters, costing more than a Quattro carafe and only behind Zero Water. But considering its high upfront cost, Rorra may be the most expensive countertop you can buy today. The system also runs on 4 AAA batteries, which need replacement once a year. However, you only need to inspect and clean the inside every 90 days when replacing the filter to keep your system in prime health. Finally, let's discuss the warranty and customer support. Rorra offers a 12-month warranty on the water filter system and a 90-day warranty on the filter cartridges. They also have a 30-day return policy. Customer support is helpful and responds fast. So with all said and done, here's our final takeaway. Rorra countertop filter is impressive for its certifications, zero water waste, and sleek stainless steel design. However, drawbacks like high maintenance costs, the inability to remove fluoride, a plastic handle, and a leaking spigot hold it back. As a result, it still lags behind top contenders in the market, like the Quattro carafe. We have reviewed 3 such effective and budget-friendly apartment water filters here, so check that out now.